Oh, please don't cry. Are you ready? Buy a drywall patch screen, peel, and stick it over the hole. Scoop a chunk of pink stuff from the bucket and smears it onto the hole. Measure to smooth the pink thing out evenly to ease the sanding efforts later on.
Splash your pink thing right here. Just, yep. That's it. Done. Well, it's almost there, son.
Okay, let me speed it up. This man seemed to have all the time in the world. Now it's down to sanding. Just take or buy a sanding sponge and sand down the patch as smooth as possible. When done, just paint it. Simple, right? Done, thank me later.